You found a solid wood dresser on the curb. It has a wobbly leg, deep scratches, and water rings. Do you walk away? No. You grab these 10 tools. Today I'm showing you the exact multi-purpose toolkit used for furniture restoration and upcycling. Let's fix some furniture. Number 1. Furniture Corner Connector. That chair in the corner of the dining room, the one that wobbles every time somebody sits down. This tool fixes that problem permanently. These stainless steel L brackets work differently than standard hardware store brackets. The upgraded triangular design connects 3 panels at once, creating a stability that regular L brackets simply cannot match. Think of a triangle. It's the strongest shape in construction. Use these corner connectors on wobbly chairs, loose bookshelves, falling apart cabinets, and even outdoor furniture like garden benches. The stainless steel construction resists rust, so weather is not a concern. No sharp edges here. The smooth finish keeps fingers safe during installation. Each pack includes 20 brackets and 110 screws. For lightweight furniture, 4 to 5 screws per bracket does the job. For heavier pieces, use all 7 screw holes. Simple installation, lasting results. Number 2. Amazon Basics 173-piece General Household Hand Tool Set. Every furniture restoration project requires tools. Screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hex keys. Buying each one separately gets expensive fast. This kit solves that problem. The Amazon Basics 173-piece set lives inside a blow-molded storage case. Open the lid, and every tool has its own spot. No digging through a messy drawer to find the right screwdriver bit. What is inside? 8 combination wrenches, a 3/8-inch ratchet wrench, 22 hex keys, 6-inch slip joint pliers, 6-inch long nose pliers, and much more. The tools are made from heat-treated, chrome-plated alloy steel. That means corrosion resistance and long-lasting strength. The plastic handles have a non-slip grip, comfortable for extended use. The case measures roughly 17 inches by 12.5 inches. Easy to carry, easy to store, perfect for grabbing and going to a garage sale find or a thrift store flip. Number 3. Varathane Premium Fast Dry Wood Stain. Sometimes a piece of furniture is too damaged to simply restore. The color is uneven, the finish is gone. That is when a full color change becomes the best option. Varathane Premium Fast Dry Wood Stain works differently than traditional stains. The formula contains nanopigment particles that dive deep into the wood grain. The stain does not just sit on top like paint, it becomes part of the wood itself. One coat is usually enough. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then wipe away the excess. The stain dries to the touch in just 1 hour. A single quart covers up to 275 square feet, enough for a full dining set or several cabinets. Use this stain on furniture, cabinet doors, trim, or paneling. It highlights the natural wood grain rather than hiding it. The result looks like wood, not painted plastic. Number 4. DEKOPRO Cordless Drill. Driving screws by hand gets old fast, especially when restoring multiple pieces of furniture. A cordless drill saves time, energy, and frustration. The DEKOPRO 20-volt cordless drill weighs only 2.5 pounds, light enough to hold overhead for cabinet work, compact enough to fit into tight spaces. 2 variable speed settings give control where it matters. 0 to 350 revolutions per minute for delicate screw driving. 0 to 1350 revolutions per minute for drilling holes. 18 torque settings plus a drill mode for full power. The kit includes the drill, 1 rechargeable battery, a charger, and multiple drill bits. 10 bits for different screw heads. A magnetic bit holder to keep bits from falling. 10 screwdriver bits for various fasteners. Perfect for DIY projects and home repairs. Drives screws into softwood and hardwood alike. Handles pilot holes, hardware installation, and furniture assembly with ease. Number 5. Nordicare Teak Oil for outdoor furniture. Outdoor furniture takes a beating. Sun, rain, snow, and humidity all attack the wood. Teak oil replaces the natural oils that weather strips away. Nordicare Teak Oil comes from Denmark, 100% made there with natural raw materials, non-toxic and eco-friendly, designed specifically for outdoor wood. This oil works on teak, mahogany, pine, beech, oak, and acacia. Application is simple. Use a brush or a clean cloth. Spread a generous layer over the wood surface. Let it soak in. For very dry or absorbent wood, apply multiple coats until the wood stops drinking the oil. After about 1 hour, wipe away any excess oil. The drying time is roughly 24 hours. 1 liter covers approximately 8 to 12 square meters. The result? Waterproof protection. Enhanced natural color. Wood that resists cracking and graying. Outdoor furniture that lasts for years rather than seasons. Number 6. Howard Restor-A-Finish. White heat rings from a hot coffee cup. Watermarks from a spilled glass. Sun fade that leaves furniture looking patchy and tired. Most people think these problems require stripping and sanding. They do not. Howard Restor-A-Finish works differently than any other product on this list. This is a finish-penetrating formula. It melts the existing finish just slightly and spreads it back over scratches, blemishes, and abrasions. The old finish stays right where it belongs, on the furniture. The process is simple. Wipe it on, wipe it off. That is it. No sanding, no stripping, no harsh chemicals. Most pieces look completely restored in just a few minutes. Available in 9 colors: walnut, golden oak, cherry, mahogany, dark walnut, ebony brown, neutral, maple pine, and dark oak. Just match the color to the furniture and watch white heat rings vanish before your eyes. Number 7. Lifreer Wood Filler Sticks. Restor-A-Finish handles surface scratches beautifully, but what about a deep gouge where the wood is actually missing? A dent that catches a fingernail? That is where wax filler sticks come into play. The Lifreer Wood Filler Sticks kit includes 16 different colors: pure white, white oak, red oak, mahogany, maple, rosewood, oak, black, cherry, red sandalwood, walnut, gray, royal blue, natural, bamboo yellow, and teak. 16 options means finding a match for almost any wood surface. Application is straightforward. For shallow scratches, rub the stick directly over the damage. Scrape away the excess with a plastic scraper or credit card. For deeper cracks or holes, melt the wax slightly with a hairdryer or warm finger. Press it into the void. Let it harden. Smooth it flush. Use these on furniture, floors, cabinets, doors, and tables. No expertise required. Quick results. Lasting repairs. Number 8. Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set. Old furniture has old glue, dried, crusty glue that holds nothing together anymore. Removing that glue requires something sharp, precise, and reliable. A wood chisel gets the job done. The Hurricane 4-piece wood chisel set includes 4 sizes: 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. 4 different widths for 4 different jobs. Each blade is drop forged from CRV steel, that is chrome vanadium steel. The edges are heat treated for sharpness and durability. The bevel sits at 25 degrees, perfect for softwood, hardwood, and laminated wood projects. The PVC handles are lightweight but impact resistant. A mallet can strike them without cracking. Use these chisels to remove old glue, clean up damaged edges, trim proud dowels, or carve out stripped screw holes. Blade guards come with each chisel. They protect the sharp edges during storage and keep fingers safe when reaching into the toolbox. Number 9. Klein Tools Combination Square Ruler. Guesswork ruins furniture restoration. A leg that looks straight but leans slightly. A drawer that seems centered but binds when closing. That is where a combination square saves the day. The Klein Tools Combination Square features a durable aluminum body with precision machined edges, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. Perfect for setting angles on saws or checking corners on repaired furniture. The ruler is 12 inches of rust-proof stainless steel. Markings are deeply etched, so they will never rub off. One side shows measurements in 1/8 and 1/16 inch increments. The other side includes an electrical panel schedule and conduit template, useful for electricians but not essential for furniture work. Powerful rare earth magnets hold the ruler firmly to the body when adjusting. A high-visibility bubble vial checks for level. The included stainless steel scriber marks any surface with pinpoint accuracy. Built to last. Professional grade, worth every penny. Number 10. Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen. Painted furniture gets chipped. Edges bump into door frames. Corners lose paint over time. Opening a full quart of paint for one tiny spot feels wasteful. This tool solves that problem. The Slobproof Refillable Touch-Up Paint Pen lets users load their own paint. Any latex or water-based paint works. Just fill the reservoir and the pen is ready to go. No brush, no roller, no messy cleanup. The patented vacuum-sealed system keeps paint fresh for up to 7 years. That means no dried-up cans and no crusty brushes. The twist control mechanism regulates paint flow precisely. A fine-tip brush applicator delivers smooth, even coverage without drips or splatters. Use this pen for quick maintenance in apartments, dorms, rentals, or homes. Fix scuffs, dings, scratches, and chips, even in hard-to-reach corners. Great for furniture, walls, arts and crafts, and touch-ups between full paint jobs.